So this is my flattened menu. So it's one that I already converted to outlines for printing out. I still have a live version that I'm going to go back to because I need to have that live version so that I can edit things when I need to. But when I'm finally done and I'm finally ready to print, getting this to its easiest form makes my life much easier. It makes my output much more accurate. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to go to InDesign. And I'm going to go to File, Print Booklet, just like I did before. And in this case, I actually want to print a booklet. So if I go to my preview, I know that I have to adjust some of these things. So let's go to Print Settings. I'm going to send it to color. And I'm going to send it to tabloid. And I'm going to go ahead and scale it to fit because I want it as big as possible here. Although if I were ready to make this to print to one of the printers in there, I'd want to print it at 100%. Agreed? Okay. So I need it to be centered. I need it to be 100%. I need it to have my marks. I can turn on bleed marks or leave them off. That doesn't really matter. I need my output to be composite, so it prints everything. And then I'm going to click on OK. And I'm going to see right away that it's not going to fit on my page. Everybody see that? But when I'm printing over in this room to one of the large format printers, I can print to 13 by 19. So I'm not going to let this worry me. This is where that digital printer idea is going to happen. We're going to actually make a digital high resolution image of this that we can then open in Acrobat that does all the work for us so you don't have to manually do it. So once I get this figured out and I've got it in there, I'm going to go into my print settings and I'm going to go ahead into printer. And one would think that because all of these applications are owned by the same company, that all we would have to do is say save as PDF. It will not let you do that. I still don't know why exactly it won't let you do it. Yeah, but we're smarter than the average user, which is why we are professional designers in this class, right? So if you do it this way, save as PostScript, we can use that neat little distiller to do all the legwork for us. So I'm going to say save as PostScript, and I can save it right into my dine-in menu. I'm going to call this booklet print. Oh yeah, I want to use .ps. Click on OK, and then click on print. It's going to process it just like it's sending it to a printer, but it's actually going to send it to Kirsty's project file. So if we go to our desktop and we go to Kirsty's folder and we go to Dine In, which she's done great with, we're going to see that it made this file. All right. Next step. In all caps, I want you to write, do not double click to open. All caps. Do not double click to open. Instead, find the PostScript file that you just made, click on it and drag it over to the Acrobat